हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करेंगे जेके सीमेंट क्वार्टर वन रिजल्ट के बारे में। लेकिन उससे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट्स कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए और हाँ, बेल आइकन को दबाना मत भूलिए। आपका प्यार और सहयोग आवश्यक है, तो सहयोग दीजिएगा। चलिए आज कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं। सो गाइस, आज हम बात करते हैं जेके सीमेंट क्वार्टर वन रिजल्ट के बारे में। करंट मार्केट प्राइस 2726.90 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹3500। एक शॉर्ट टर्म डिलीवरी आपको बाय करनी है। ओके, करंट मार्केट प्राइस 2726.90 विथ अ टारगेट प्राइस ऑफ ₹3500। लाइव मार्केट प्राइस NSE BSE। ओके, लेट्स मूव। Okay, JK Cement quarter one result, net profit at ₹190.08 crore in final year 2022, 16 August 2021. Okay, 16 August 2021. On Saturday, JK Cement Limited reported a threefold increase in its consolidated net profit to ₹190.08 crore for the first quarter ended on 30 June 2021. In a regulatory filing, JK Cement said that the firm had recorded a profit of ₹49.94 crore in the April-June period last year. Its income from operations was increased by 70.59% at ₹1,714.14 crore during the quarter under review compared to ₹1,004.84 crore in the year ago quarter. Okay. Total expenses were at ₹1,454.28 crore, increased by 55.97% in quarter one, final year 2021-2022. Okay, compared to ₹932.43 crore in the year ago period. Okay, the volume growth was added by approximately 40%. Capacity increase in its key market and the firm and continue to gain market share on the back of that. Analyzed at Motilal Oswal Financial Services Unlimited anticipate market share gains to continue over the following 4 or 5 years, since the firm is now installing a 4-attempt greenfield plant which will be commissioned by quarter one final year 24 in central India. Okay. The standalone revenue and adjusted profit after tax of the firm surged 69% and 168% respectively in the June quarter against the same period a year ago. The earnings beat on these parameters was supported by higher grade cement realizations. Okay. Realizations. JK Cement Limited, a leading cement producer in India. Okay, JK Cement Limited, a leading cement producer in India, is an affiliate of the multidisciplinary industrial conglomerate JK organization. It was founded by Lala Kamlapad Singhania. Okay.